Today, we are going to talk about the emergency stop. The first question is, why do we do an emergency stop? The main reason is for safety, so we can bring our vehicle to a swift halt. For example, if there is an element of danger, such as a child running out in the middle of the road, we will want to stop as quickly as possible. So, let's talk about how we can do this. The first thing we would want to ensure is that we bring the car to an immediate stop where possible. This would be done by using your brakes firmly and quickly, followed by putting your foot on the clutch if you're driving a manual. Remember to not check your mirrors, or that will slow the process down. Once you have come to a stop, you would use your handbrake and put the vehicle into neutral or park. The next step is ensuring we keep our hands on the steering wheel at all times. We do this to make sure we don't lose control of the vehicle. Now, let's talk about how the instructor is going to conduct the emergency stop. He or she will do all the observations for you, so you do not have to do them. Once the observations are complete, the instructor will say the word "stop" and place their hand out in front. You will then carry out the emergency stop exercise as practiced. After the maneuver has been completed and it is safe to continue, remember that you will need to complete full observations and use the prepare, observe, maneuver routine. Let's talk about the common issues people have when it comes to this maneuver, so you can avoid them too. The most common problem people have is reacting too slowly. To avoid this problem, ensure you regularly practice with a qualified instructor. The second most common issue people have is not doing full observations before moving off after the emergency stop has been completed.